Oh, you can feel the excitement in the air. We're here at the Metals Investor Forum the day before PDAC kicks off in Toronto. And my guest now is Greg McCoach of the Mining Speculator, your keynote here. Welcome back to the show.
Yeah, always a pleasure.
It's almost like our yearly check-in here,
Yes.
Greg. So do you feel that we're at peak gold then?
Yeah, peak gold. I think it was Ian Telfer was the one that actually said that recently. But yeah, I agree with him.
I interviewed him about 2 years ago on the topic. So the question is, why isn't this being reflected in the price of gold yet? Or do you feel it's built in?
Oh, no, I mean, we look at what's gone on for the last 7 years. The reason no exploration has happened is because we have the stagnant gold price. And you have this, which we'll get into a little later in the interview, this is the Fed. What the Fed is doing, they've created this illusion of prosperity with all this easy money, with the free money, QE, right? And as soon as that was withdrawn, we saw what happened to the general markets, October, November, December. There was a stock market sell-off, massive concern. Fed changes tax right away, you know. But overall, the gold price is getting ready to make a big jump because this is very similar to me, the merger mania that happened in 2000, right? The dollar was starting to roll over, have problems. The merger mania was going on, and all of a sudden we went on one of the best bull market runs in my career as a newsletter writer from 2003 to 2007. That was a great time for us.
Let's talk the Fed now.
Yeah.
I know in your talk you're going to be saying how you feel they're just all over the place.
Well, yeah, they've lost credibility in my view. The Powell Fed, which has been in place, for 15 months, they basically, said, oh, we're going to reduce interest rates. Why? Because inflation was going up, so they had to raise interest rates, right, to stop that inflation from filtering through the system more. But they're responsible for it because they created all the money that got pumped into this system, created this inflation, created these bubbles, right? So now then the market had the wake-up call. The Fed went, oh, we can't do that. We have to protect the market, right? So they're caught, right? If they raise interest rates, they hurt the governments that they serve because those governments are all choking on enormous debt loads. Every point of interest just raises how much interest they have to pay, and they can't do it. They can't even pay what they're currently owed right now.
So ultimately, good news for gold?
Yeah, good news for gold because, safe haven. It's the safe haven. Just as gold production is going down, safe haven issues are rising dramatically, gaining in stature. So that's the perfect combination for exactly what happened back in 2003.
Well, we'll just have to stay tuned, keep tracking the price there. Greg, thank you so much for stopping by.
Always a pleasure.
And thank you for watching. We'll have much more for you here on Kitco.com.